Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of PayPal. So let me take you to their website, which is paypal.com. Now, who doesn't know about PayPal? You might be using it yourself, or at least you might know someone who is using PayPal. Well, everyone know them, isn't it? But still, I'm going to talk a bit about them. So PayPal is a widely used online payment platform that enables individuals and businesses to make and receive payments over the internet. It was founded in 1998 and has become one of the leading digital payment platforms globally. And they're like the platform is so easy to use that people love them. All over the world, people like to be part of PayPal and want to do all the international and, of course, the local transactions through their platform. But we are not here to create an account with them. You might already have an account with them. We are here to earn money from PayPal. Can we do that? Of course, we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program, and through the affiliate program, when we promote them, we could get commission for that. So the question is, how do we join the affiliate program of PayPal? For that, you have to come to the website, which is partnerwise.com. Now, why Partnerwise and what is Partnerwise? So Partnerwise is one of the top digital marketing companies out there, and one of the services they provide is affiliate marketing. So to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, including PayPal, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing company as an affiliate. So in our case, to join the affiliate program of PayPal, we are to join Partnerwise as an affiliate. So how do we join Partnerwise as an affiliate? You can hover over partners, you can click on affiliates, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on Join Partnerwise and go through with the registration process to get yourself an affiliate account. Now, we understand registration could be tough, so don't you worry. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Partnerwise. You'll find the video in the video description. Just click on the link, click on the video link, watch the instructions, create yourself an affiliate account with Partnerwise. Once you have the account, you can come to their website again, partnerwise.com. Click on this avatar sign, which will take you to this login page. Over here, you can enter your username and password, click on login, then it should take you to something called dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, the affiliate program of the brands out there, not just PayPal. You could explore other brands of affiliate program as well, join the affiliate program and start earning commission. But in this video, we will only be talking about the affiliate program of PayPal. So to join it, you can click on campaigns, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on join campaigns, and once you click on it, on the left-hand side where you see search, you can start typing PayPal over here. And it's going to take some time. Sometimes it take a few seconds, so you can give it a few seconds. And then once you have returned it, you will see these two results. The first one will be PayPal, another one would be PayPal US. Now, do not click the first one because this is for the loans that PayPal is providing. If you're interested in PayPal loan, like, promoting them, you could click on it and explore more. But to join the PayPal affiliate program, you have to click on PayPal US. When you do that, it will take you to the brand details page, or on the right-hand side, you can read about them. There's an email address as well. You can reach out if you have any specific question for them. And to know more, you could click on the right-hand side. You can click on PayPal US. Then it will take you to more details, including the commission rate. So currently, they're offering $10 on activation and reactivation. They're not providing commission sign up, transaction, or other, but rather they're providing $10 for activation and reactivation. You can also click on view terms and condition and see, and read through the terms and condition. It's very important because you should be aware of what you are allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do. So ensure you before you apply to the affiliate program of PayPal, you click on it and you read it. So let's say you have read it and now you want to apply to their affiliate program. How do you do that? You can just tick mark select all on the right hand side. You have to come back to this screen first. Of course, you can click on back like I did, and then you can click on select all. Over here, you can click on this. It says that you have read the terms and condition for the program, and then you can click on join selected campaigns. When you do that, your application to the PayPal support, PayPal affiliate marketing or affiliate program team would have gone, and you can give them around anywhere between 2 weeks of time for them to review. So when you will be creating an affiliate account with Partnerwise, you would have given your website, your online presence details. So when you click on join selected campaigns, your application to the respective affiliate program team would go. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And if they find that yes, you're a good fit for them, they will give the approval to you. And once you get the approval, you would be able to find them here within this section. So when you click on campaigns, you will be able to see them here, your campaigns and commission. So as I said, you can give them between two days to 2 weeks of time. So let's say you got the approval, then can you start promoting them? Of course you can, but you can't just take links from their website and start promoting them. No, that's not how it works. You should be using tracking links. So after getting the approval, you can click on tracking. That should take you to this page. Over here, you can create your own tracking link and start promoting them. Now the question is, how exactly can you promote them? So there are many ways you can promote them, one of them being website. It doesn't matter what kind of website you got. You could probably pick homepage or some other page of your website and just put an advertisement over there, like a small banner of PayPal. We should have your tracking links within. So when someone would click on it, it will take them to the PayPal website. When they do the activation, reactivation, you will get $10 as a commission. So that's one way. Second is financial website. Now, PayPal being a financial tool, them being on financial website could be very good as well. Now, you may ask, what is a financial website? Financial websites are those websites which basically talk about financial stuff, such as it could be financial news, loans, credit card, debit cards, anything that has to do with financial stuff out there. So if you have a website like that, or if you plan to create a financial website, then probably you could create a section over there on the website, probably just call it financial tools, and then you can list PayPal over there. And when someone would come to that page of financial tools, when they would click on your PayPal listing over there, probably that could have your tracking links, and that could lead the person to the PayPal website. And when they do the activation, you get a commission. The third way is blog. Now, blog are kind of website only, but their format, it's typical in a way that you write blog posts. So you provide words to your thoughts, or whatever thought process that you have regarding a product or service, you write about that in a blog. So you could probably create a blog post for PayPal. You could just, whatever you think about PayPal, you can just write it in a very good way, so people can come, they can read it, and then you can just mention over there, here's a link for the PayPal. If you're interested, you can explore them more and probably have an account with them, something like that. And you can just integrate your tracking link over there. So that's another way that you could promote them. So I have only listed 3 here. The other way could be social media platforms as well. But for social media platform, ensure you read the terms and condition. And if they don't say anything about it, like if they don't restrict you to promote on social media, then you're fine. And there could be more ways as well. This is just me trying to cover the basic promotional way that you could promote them. I hope this will be helpful to you. Now let's talk about, you started promoting them on any of these mediums or other mediums, and you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see that? For that, again, you can, we are looking at the dashboard, and you can go to the analytics section, which will show you all the sales or commission that's been getting generated. Now, how about the payment for the commission? So the payment, PayPal would send the payment to Partnerwise, and you would get the commission from Partnerwise. So ensure you have updated your payment method on Partnerwise to get the payment. For that, to update your payment method, you can click on payments, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on payment settings. You can click on add bank account. And over here, you can select your track currency, paid currency, country, and depending on that, depending on what you would select on track currency, paid currency, and country, you will be able to select either PayPal, or there's another payment method as well, which is electronic fund transfer. So you can, depending on these 3 options, you will get the option here accordingly, and you can select again PayPal or electronic fund transfer. And then you can also decide whether you want to set it to auto self bill or payment. So if you click on, that means you don't have to do anything. Whenever the commission would get generated, depending on the further setup condition, you will get the payment from Partnerwise. So you can select it on, and you can say that I only want to get payment once a month when the payment threshold, that means the commission accumulated in my Partnerwise account, exceeds $50. So you can decide like that, or else you can even select off. That means Partnerwise will not issue payment to you unless you initiate from dashboard for the payment to be issued. And then once you have selected the information in here, you can click on continue, which will take you to the next page where and you can enter those details. So this is how you find the affiliate program of PayPal. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them and start bringing sales to them, and you get the payment for it. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of PayPal. And in the meantime, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.